How to install eSIM on Samsung Galaxy S20 or Galaxy S21 series. Before proceeding, make sure your device is open line, has strong Wi-Fi connection, and eSIM compatible. Open your settings and tap Connections. Tap on SIM Card Manager. Select Add Mobile Plan. Select Scan Carrier QR Code. Scan the eSIM QR code to download. Once the eSIM plan is detected, tap on Add. When your plan has been registered, select OK to turn on the plan. Once activated, you can view it in the SIM Card Manager. For travel Esims, make sure to turn on your data roaming. To avoid roaming charges, turn off your primary LIF from your carrier provider when overseas. Get the fastest and reliable eSIM to SHOREACCESS. Scan the QR code below to purchase.